Hello everyone and welcome back to Clean Nastic, and today we're going to do a review on the electric arc lighter. This is a very cool lighter that I have been gifted from my father-in-law, and I just thought to myself, this is a very handy dandy tool that we can talk a little bit about, and maybe you might want to purchase it after this review. So stay tuned, watch the video through, and I hope that you really like the review. So the electric lighter is a very small, very slim, and you can basically take this everywhere you go, especially when you're out there in the woods camping, and it's a great little tool to have when you want to start your fire with. This device has a really good safety rating. It is safe for kids because of the safety switch, because you have to push the switch upward to unlock the electrolyte. So if you have a kid around the house, they probably wouldn't even know how to use this. So very good, safety friendly. So this is a dual arc with upwards electrodes, and it also has new plasma technology. Makes it more convenient in ignition for outdoors and indoor fires, for your cigarettes, your candles, barbecue, kitchen, torch, firework, camping, and so on. So this is actually a multi-purpose device that you have here with this electric arc lighter. Also, I just want to mention that it's windproof, splash proof, and it works everywhere. See, different than a normal lighter, it's flameless, it has an arc flame, and it works even when high winds or wet weather like rainy conditions. So you can actually start your campfire, light your cigarette outside, and the arc lighter will not even be affected by the elements out there. So this is just another benefit of this amazing arc electric lighter that we have here. Another amazing benefit is that it's a rechargeable lighter. It can be recharged using your USB charger, through your computer, power bank in the car, and so on. And the lights actually even blinks to let you know that it's charging. It also has a long battery life, and it has about 600 charges inside of it. So if you like this review, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.